Gardening can be a little too serious sometimes, especially if we're using words like design, texture, formality. Does it work? Is it within trend or not? Do you know what? Sometimes you just got to take all those rules and just throw them out the window. Because often in that, when you simply just get rid of all of that, it's almost like a purge, and just do something fun, it all just comes together with your own feeling and your own style. So somewhere in your garden, be playful, engage, bright colours, things that might not go together, because when you do put them together, it's your space. Much like this, the little potting shed where we've planted up the gutter, a few lettuce in between, bit impractical, but we love it because it's just being fun. Stretch your boundaries, take out what is not needed, and enjoy what you can. And here are 3 beautiful late winter, early spring pots that will go right through into the summer with some chrysanthemum palidosum, some lovely geraniums, a good old faithful, common as mud, daisy bush, and of course our beloved petunias. Anything will go, really. It's just up to you to decide.